Hi everybody, this is the Danish Living. Today I will make a steamed challah bread with color. Please like and leave a comment if you like this video. The ingredients are shown here. We need yeast, sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, some oil, and water. Knead the dough in at least 10 minutes until it becomes soft and smooth. Divide the dough into 4 small parts. Knead and form them in round shapes. Cover the rest of the 3 parts in a kind of container to keep them moist. Add orange color to the first one. Knead it in 3 to 5 minutes until the color mixes well with the dough. In the same way, to mix the other 2 small parts with green and blue color respectively. You can of course select what color you like to make your own bread. Since I have planned to make 7 small bread with this dough together, so I divide each small part into 7 parts. Knead them to thin strips. Of course, you can make less than 7 bread, so just divide them into the parts as you wish. Put the 4 strips with different colors across each other and braid them as shown here. First, braid them counterclockwise and then braid them clockwise. At the end, you should press the ends together firmly. Tidy up the dough, shape it nicely. Remember, we only need to proof the dough one time. It's quite time saving in this way. Proof in around 1 hour or to the double in size. Let's see one more time how we braid the strips together to form a bread shape. Put the steamer on the pot with cold water in the pot. Boil the water with high temperature until it's boiling, and decrease the temperature of the heat to a middle level, boiling continuously in 7 to 8 minutes. Look at this steamed colorful bread. So cute and beautiful. Please like and leave a comment if you like this video. I'm Danish Living. See you in my next video.